B2B product or service, you need to be on LinkedIn. I get 90% of my work from there, and I don't chase customers, they come to me. So if you set up your profile or your page correctly, it's a really easy way to lead generate for free. Just working on a client's LinkedIn account now, and it jogged me to, my memory to get on and remind you of this. And I just wanted to remind you that it doesn't matter if you don't have a business page on LinkedIn. Obviously, you have to have a profile, but your profile is just as important, if not more, than your page. And the reason being, if you want to do lead generation, you really need to do it through your profile. Set your account up correctly in the first place. So you need to use all the features of the platform, use creator mode, which is a new feature on LinkedIn. Highly recommend it. Publish articles, mix your content up with educational, lifestyle, and results testimonials. And then you want to actually use your profile to gain authority in your niche, and then you can start inviting people to your page to get your page moving. Because it can be a little bit difficult on LinkedIn initially with pages, but by utilizing your profile, you can build it really, really quickly. If you're looking for a killer LinkedIn strategy, message me or my company, Abundant Life Studio, and we can send you our marketing decks. And don't forget to follow for more daily social media tips.